How to spend cosmetic tokens on your once human game here on your account, on your PC, browser, or any other device you're playing the game right now. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and in this video I'll simply show you the genuine and best guide steps to do and how you can do this that is possible. So let's start this without any delay. The certainly in one's human cosmetic tokens allow you to unlock and purchase cosmetic items under your character. First step is access the shop. Press ECS key to open the menu, then go to shop events. Navigate to the other tab, look for the other tab within the shop itself. Purchase cosmetic. In other tab you will find cosmetic tokens available for purchase using Christian currency. Now Christian currency can be obtained by purchasing it in the top up section of the shop. Fourth is customize your character. Once you have acquired cosmetic tokens, use them to enhance your character's appearance. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.